Hi everyone! Today we're talking about D5's latest product, D5 Lite. It's not a standalone rendering software. Instead, it nestles inside your modeling tool as a high-quality rendering plugin. So, what exactly is D5 Lite? It supports your entire design workflow from start to finish. In the early concept stage, Lite helps explore ideas and shapes quickly. As your design develops, it lets you generate progress renders at different phases. And when you reach the final stage, Lite delivers high-quality images with ease. On top of that, any scene created in Lite can transition seamlessly into D5 Render for more advanced and complex production. In short, D5 Lite works as both a design assistant and an efficient, high-quality, real-time rendering tool. First, visit d5render.com and download D5 Launcher. Once it's installed, go to the Workflow tab to find and download D5 Lite. D5 Lite currently supports SketchUp 2021 through 2026. Next, open SketchUp. In the toolbar, locate the D5 icon and click the second button to launch Lite. It opens as a picture-in-picture window, but you can resize it or go full screen. D5 Lite has two main modes, AI and Render. You can switch between them anytime using this toggle. Each mode comes with its own interface, and you can press F9 to hide or show the UI whenever you need. Let's first look at the AI mode. There are two main ways to use D5 Lite's AI. Let's start with conceptual inspiration. During the early design phase, when you only have rough massing blocks, you can use AI to quickly output stylistic references. This helps you choose a direction and further refine your model based on the AI-generated forms. Beyond just form, AI can also suggest different options for architectural materials. Using this project as a simple example, we first adjust the angle in SketchUp and then capture the current view using the button located in the bottom left corner. Next, click Choose Styles to expand the AI style panel. Here, you'll find a wide range of preset styles designed specifically for visualization. At the top are the major industry categories: architecture, landscape, and interior. Below that are more detailed project types. For architecture, you'll see options like office, commercial, residential, hospitality, education, art, and more. Each type is further refined. For example, under residential, you'll find villa, mid-rise residence, high-rise residence, and apartments. In this case, we choose residential and then villa. Next, set structure weight to the creative level, which allows for more varied and expressive results. You can optionally add reference images or enter text prompts to guide the style further. In the settings, you can adjust parameters like image quality and the number of images to generate. When everything is ready, click Generate. After a short wait, the AI generates several results based on the current massing. You can click on any image to view it in full size and choose the one that best fits your design direction to continue developing your model. Now, let's move on to case 2. Sometimes, most of the work is already done in your modeling software, and you just want to skip the manual rendering steps and quickly get a high-quality image. That's where Lite's AI comes in handy. In this interior project, the model is largely completed in SketchUp, and we're aiming for a precise visual result. As before, click this button to capture the current view, then select a suitable style preset. This time, to keep everything as accurate as possible, we drag the structure weight slider all the way to the right and select Accurate. You can also input optional prompt text. Click Generate, and after a moment, Lite produces a precise, high-quality image for this view. If we enlarge the image and turn on the comparison toggle, You can see that AI accurately preserves details from the SketchUp scene without changing the model or material textures. Furthermore, Lite's AI has even more advanced features. In this same interior scene, we notice the wardrobe on the left is missing clothes. Simply describe what you'd like to add in the text box and click Iterate. Lite's AI will fill in the wardrobe for you. Simple and efficient. That's D5 Lite AI, supporting you at every stage of the design process. Next, let's move on to render mode. When you first start Lite, the SketchUp view is linked to the Lite view by default. If you need to disconnect them, simply click the Sync Viewport button in the toolbar. Once it's turned off, the two views will no longer affect each other. The render mode interface in D5 Lite is clean and easy to use. The scene list stores all your camera views. Click the plus icon to add a new view, which will automatically sync back to SketchUp. You can use the WASD keys plus the right mouse button to navigate the space. If you adjust the camera and want to update the saved view, just click the Update Scene button. Most of Lite's rendering tools are located in the bottom. The first is the Effect panel, which includes contrast, saturation, color temperature, and other post-processing effects. The Environment panel lets you load different HDRIs to light your scene and adjust their intensity or direction. Next is the Exposure panel. You can adjust brightness by dragging the slider. Switch between slider and direct numeric input, or turn on auto exposure for automatic adjustments. On the right side, the three buttons give you quick access to the Material Editor, Light Editor, and Asset Library. Open the Light Material Editor and select a material in SketchUp. At the top, you can switch material templates such as glass, metal, emissive, water, or grass. Below that are corresponding parameters for fine-tuning. We'll briefly walk you through a few example materials. To create a realistic floor material, first choose the General template and add a diffuse map. Then fine-tune the normal, specular, and roughness settings. You can also adjust the color on the right to change the overall tone. For this storage cabinet, start by picking the material and switching to the Glass template, which has more settings. Our proprietary D5 engine accurately calculates and displays glass properties like roughness and transparency. If you need frosted glass, it's incredibly simple. Just increase the roughness value. When you want a polished metal look, simply go for the Metal template and adjust the color to black or any other color you prefer. For a matte aluminum finish, you can slightly increase the roughness instead. The real-time viewport updates instantly, accurately reflecting every change. Emissive materials are also very easy to work with. In this project, most of the lighting comes from emissive materials. To get started, select the wall material and switch the template to Emissive. With just a few adjustments to brightness and color temperature, the material is ready to go. You can then repeat the same steps for the top and bottom of the pillars, as well as the light tubes. As you'll see, emissive lighting in D5 Lite behaves closely to real-world light, giving you natural and convincing results. For a swimming pool, switch to the water template by adjusting color, normals, specular, and depth. You can create a wide range of water effects. Finally, let's add the lawn for this villa. Once you enable the grass template for the ground surface, it's easy to adjust the grass density and height. Add a touch of greenery, and just like that, you've got a stunning, lifelike architectural render. We won't go through every material template here. Feel free to try them out yourself in D5 Lite. Next is lighting controls. You can choose from 5 light types: point light, spotlight, strip light, rectangle light, and disc light. Add one in SketchUp and adjust its color and intensity. Any changes, movement, or duplication in SketchUp update instantly in Light. You can also multi-select lights in SketchUp to adjust their settings all at once in D5 Lite's Light Editor. Powered by the D5 engine, you can easily achieve physically accurate, realistic results. In this interior project, the entire space is lit with just a few artificial lights. Your design comes to life in real time, with no lag and no ghosting. The third icon is the asset library optimized for D5 Lite. It includes almost all vegetation assets from D5 Render, which appear as lightweight proxies in SketchUp. These assets also work well with SketchUp Scatter plugins. Finally, there's the Output Settings panel, where you can adjust resolution, format, and aspect ratio. When you're ready, click Render to export. D5 Engine ensures that your output precisely matches the real-time viewport, so there's no need for back-and-forth adjustments. If you want to refine your project further in D5 Render, we also get you covered. Any project created in D5 Lite can be seamlessly transferred into D5 Render. Take this outdoor scene, for example. We've already added some vegetation and artificial lights in SketchUp. To continue in D5 Render, you just need to close D5 Lite and click the first icon in the toolbar to launch D5 Render. Choose New Project, and you'll see all the light assets, lights, and materials from SketchUp imported successfully into D5 Render's resource list. From here, the fun begins. You can create animated traffic with paths or render full cinematic videos. That's all for this video. We hope D5 Lite becomes your go-to design assistant. Give it a try and see for yourself. Thanks for watching.